In this video, we are going to be building out a fully functional casino gambling game. Think of Vegas, think of casinos, think of blackjack, roulette, slots. We are going to build out one of these games, one of the higher revenue generating games, using no coding experience whatsoever. I'm not a technical person. I don't have a technical background, yet I'm able to build out fully functional applications, sell them to clients, sell them to people, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that today. We're going to build it with no coding experience, and on top of that, through a unique tool that is part of this whole video, we are not going to even have to type out the prompt. We're going to use our voice alone in order to build out applications. If that sounds interesting, stick with me. Let's get into it right now. Okay, so I'm in Perplexity and we need to find a casino game we want to build. Quick one on this. What is Perplexity? It is basically an LLM. It's AI mixed with Google in terms of searching the internet. So whenever you prompt the AI for something, it searches the internet at the same time and gives you the latest, greatest results. That makes it so powerful. On top of that, if you go to this video, my AI gift to you that I put out last week, I am giving away some Perplexity Pro memberships for free. So go to that video. I'll put a link in the description. Check it out to see how you can win one of those memberships. And quick one, in this video, I'm not going to actually type a thing. The way I'm going to do this is I'm using a tool called Aqua Voice that's installed on my Mac right now. It is an AI dictation tool that allows you to use AI to understand exactly what you want to say rather than just transcribing what you're saying. I'll show you how it works. So I'm in Perplexity. I'm going to hit the control button. Hey, so I want to understand what is the highest revenue generating casino games from an online perspective that I could potentially build. All I do is stop pressing the control button and it inputs exactly what I've said in perfect English, just like that. So I hit enter and we're good to go. Okay, so here are our results. Monopoly Go, Coin Master, Bingo Blitz, Slotomania, Jackpot Party. I like the Bingo Blitz idea. Bingo Blitz earned $255 million in revenue in 2022, and that's coming from a statistics website over here. So this is Bingo Blitz over here. They've partnered with American Idol. They've got Lionel Richie on the front page here. I wonder how much they paid him for that. And yeah, man, you can just see what it kind of looks like. There's a store. There's a bingo card generator. So, okay, so literally, this is exactly what we want to kind of build, right? Is make it look like this and go ahead and build out this. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So I'm in Lovable, and what we're going to do is we're going to go and take a screenshot of this page, and I'm going to copy that into Lovable, and then I'm going to hit the control button again. We're going to use Aqua Voice in order to just say exactly what we want to build, because I'm trying to figure it out in my head. I want you to build a game very similar to Bingo Blitz, which is a bingo card kind of gambling game where you play bingo, but it's really vibrant and lots of colors and it looks beautiful and, you know, it's quite animated, you know, and basically it's bingo, but we want to kind of build that out and then we'll kind of go from there. So okay, so there's our prompt. And one thing I like about Aqua Voice is it will understand exactly what I want to say. So you could hear, as I was explaining about Bingo Blitz, there was lots of oohs and ahs, and I changed my mind a few times. But it takes all of that into consideration and then just kind of outputs, okay, I know what Jagger wants to say. This is exactly what he wants to say. And when I read it back, it's on the money. So that's what makes Aqua Voice so powerful. All right, I'm happy with that. Let's hit launch. Okay, so now Lovable is going to basically be our AI coder. It's going to build out the code for us. So you'll see it will start talking to us. I'm going to create a vibrant and engaging Bingo Blitz style game that draws inspiration from the colorful animated design, so forth. And then you can see over here, it's already starting to build the code. I'm not doing anything, not touching anything. And I'm going to jump to the results so that we can see what our first preview of the game looks like. So this is our first iteration, our first little preview. And it says here, how to play. Click start game to begin. So let's do that. Okay, then our bingo card just pops up, which is pretty cool. Click draw number to get a new ball. So draw number. Okay, so 067. Click on the matching number on your card. Okay, like that. And then it says get 5 in a row, column or diagonal to win. Use autoplay for continuous drawing. So we draw another number. That's I-24, and it actually did for us. And then 067, we don't have that. Then I-28, G55, G46, B3. Let's see if we can hit a bingo here. 070, B7, carry on playing. Oh, we need one more. We need 068. There we go. Okay, we got it over here in the middle. So you've got bingo. And then we go there. We've won bingo. It's this nice little like congratulations message. And that's off the first iteration. That's one prompt in Lovable. Literally one prompt using our voice. We didn't type a thing. We've got pretty much a working bingo game. That looks like trash. I will say that. We want to work on how it looks because we want to get closer to this, right? So let's work on doing that. Okay, so there's a few things we want to do. If we come back to Bingo Blitz, there's different themes that you can kind of choose from. So what I want to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this, pop that into Lovable, and I'm going to say something along the lines of, this looks great, or this operates great rather, but it looks so terrible. So I really want to work hard on making the UI, the user interface, look so much better. Bingo Blitz has different themes and it's a lot more colorful. So I really want you to step it up. If what you've given me currently is a level 1 set of design, I want you to take this to like level 10. You've thoroughly increased this, the latest or best UI knowledge and components you can. It should be colorful. It should have animations. It should really just go above and beyond. Okay, cool. So that's our entire prompt there, perfectly written, which I love. Again, Aqua Voice is awesome. So let's go ahead and let's see what it does with this. If it doesn't do anything here, then I've got a next step, which we'll work towards. Cool. As per usual, we've got some errors, but we're going to let AI work on those for us. So we say try to fix. We are back and it looks a little bit better. It's not ideal because we've got this big white space at the bottom of our card, which I think is trying to pick up something that's not there. So we're going to iterate one more time and we're going to just say, yeah, this is looking a lot better. There's white space underneath the bingo card, which really shouldn't be there. I also want that the actual bingo card looks really, really awesome. You know, so like, for example, when we get a number, it really like maybe changes the whole color of the tile and, you know, has some animation to it and really like pops, and maybe some 3D effect would be cool. And yeah, and then just obviously look at alignment of everything so that everything's aligned quite nicely, and just recheck that, please. Cool, there we go. We're going to just run this prompt again. Okay, so this is the update to the game. We are going to just click start game. Here we get our card, and then if we go ahead and draw our number, you'll see as the numbers come through, they have this cool little animation where we've got this, you know, there's that kind of beaming effect. And as we draw numbers, you'll see we've got a little bit of a flashing light whenever we draw a number. So it's looking a lot better. And as we get closer and closer, let's get bingo. There we go, boom. And then we've got this confetti that falls down from the top. It's getting there, it's looking better, but I want to do a couple more upgrades. So I'm coming to 21st.dev and I've got this Tailwind update. If you've never used 21st.dev, it's basically like a UI component library that's completely free, and you can just copy the prompt from all of these items. I'll go back here. You can see there's a bunch of different items that you can use, and you can integrate from a user interface perspective into your builds. So in this case, we are going and using this background boxes. So what's beautiful about this is if you go copy prompt, you can copy the prompt for your specific no-code builder. So in our case, Lovable, we just copy that prompt. We come back over here and we paste it in just like that. And then what I'll do is I'll go to the top, and then at the top, we'll just bring up Aqua Voice. Please, can you integrate the following prompt into the background of Bingo Blitz? That's just like that. There's our prompt. Let's hit enter and we'll just jump ahead and you can see how this is integrated. Alrighty, so here we go. Now the background's looking a lot better. And if we go down the sides, you can see how it changes the different colors. If we come to this side over here, and then it obviously disappears. So when we say start game, we get all of our items over there. And we can draw numbers, and as they kind of pop up, we can go. And we want to get to a point where, boom, we've got thing. But the confetti looks like trash. So let's work on making the confetti a little bit better. Okay, so I'm in 21st.dev and we want to maybe look for confetti. Okay, boom, let's see. So you just go here, you say, okay, I want confetti. You can check the preview out. Look at how cool that is. Let's go. There's actually a couple others. Fireworks. Trigger fireworks. That's pretty cool. Maybe do fireworks, side cannons. Actually, I like the side cannons. Okay, so let's copy that prompt. Copy over there, come back over here. We do the same thing. You just paste it in. Let's open up Aqua Voice. Please, can you replace the current confetti when you actually win bingo with the following code below? Sweet, so it should integrate that. So let's start a new game and let's go through this process again. Boom, that's a lot of confetti. Okay, so the confetti goes a little bit too buck wild, but pretty cool. And at the end, obviously you can see everything's kind of booming and it's interactive and it's exactly how you would want a casino game to kind of operate. We've got that as it is, and that's bingo, and we've won bingo, and you can just hit new game and it resets the game. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to make this more Vegas-like and more casino-like. So we're going to go to Lovable and we're going to use this. I want the application to be more casino style, Vegas style, you know, still vibrant, but in that type of, I guess, style that, you know, we were building out. You know, it's bingo, but it's bingo as it would be in a casino. Cool, let's give that a try. Okay, so you can see now it is casino bingo and it looks a lot more Vegas-y, dark colors with kind of your gold overtones. What I want to do now is I want to have the ability to play against the computer, right? Play against, I guess, other players, which you can make this multiplayer, but in this case, we're just going to have other people playing the game at the same time that we're going to compete against, or, you know, computer players. So we'll say, I want to integrate two things. One is I want the ability to play against the computer or kind of AI players. It doesn't have to be AI generated, it just has to be computer-based players. And, you know, obviously whoever gets to bingo first. And it should be, you know, kind of like at an easy to medium level. I shouldn't win all the time, but I should, you know, lose all the time either. And then I want to have the ability to integrate Stripe. So I have the ability to bet. Actually, no, let's not do Stripe at the moment. Let's just have the ability to purchase a card for a specific amount and then have a, you know, based on the number of people that bought a card, that becomes like the jackpot, and whoever wins bingo wins the total amount. Alrighty, perfect. So let's do that. Okay, so we've done a couple changes and now you can actually play against the computer as an opponent. So if we say new game and then we say draw, so 070, we've got that. Our opponent does not. Let's go to the next one, G49. And if we kind of carry on tapping on this, it will automatically allot which ones we've got versus our opponent. We're doing much better, but okay, so it only needs N32 to win. We still need a few more. Oh, just hope for not N32. Oh, now they only need G56 or N32. Well, we need 064. Okay. Oh, getting close. Getting close. We only need B9. Oh, and there you go. We won. We won. Okay, so we got our B9. And it says, jackpot, you've hit the big one. Boom. And there you go. That's pretty much the video. If you guys want to know how you can integrate login signups as well as payment information, I've got some videos on that already, which I'll tag over here. I'll put in the link in the description. So you can go check those out and see how you can monetize an application like this, allow people to log in, sign up, and then, you know, deposit money in order to actually play the game. But this is bingo as a casino style type bingo. Very quickly you can see using something like Lovable, no code application, how beautiful it can look and how the animations can work and the different colors. And now you could also even add sound if you wanted to. So you've got all those cha-chings and the different kind of jackpot sounds. Really, the world is your oyster when it comes to this. But I really hope it was helpful. If it was, I do appreciate if you guys will like and subscribe on this video. Big ups to Aqua Voice. I've been using this tool so much. It is so useful. Definitely go check them out. I've done a video on them. I'll actually tag that right here and in the link in the description to go check out my full review over Aqua Voice. Really awesome. Exactly what you want to say. You don't even have to type these days in order to build out these applications. You literally can just sit there and talk through exactly what you want to build, and AI will be your best helper and will help you build that out. So pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.